we will learn how to add products to the correct collections in a Shopify store. Start by clicking on the Product section. Click on Add Product. Follow my steps carefully, step by step. Add this product to a similar collection. Click on the Save button. Now, click on the Preview button to review the product. If you need to add this product to more similar collections, click on the Collection section. Next, click on the Create Collection button. Finally, click on the Save button.
Follow and subscribe to Optimax Agency for more technical and informative videos.
If you need premium website design and development services, contact Optimax Agency today. We're offering a huge discount, so don't miss out. Thanks for watching our video.